Cassie's probably going to talk about how she married the wrong brother.
I am, Bob. That's exactly. Yeah, I found that out real soon, Bob.
She's lucky, Bob, that she didn't. And you got your beautiful wife that you do that.
Where did people go?
I wouldn't trade the one I got for anything in the world.
Right. And I'm glad you still love me, Bob.
After all we've been through.
After all we've been through. So, is it time to start?
It is.
Well, hello.
Can we get quiet on the set? Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Cassie McElvey, the wife of the firstborn of Pope and Emma McElvey, Pope McElvey. So, and I came into this family, was introduced to this marvelous family of McElveys in 1963. And I'll tell you, it's been a long haul since, and it's just been many, many adventures. Really one of the most fun things that I can remember before we ever got.
And Sharon, is the light on? Yes, it's blinking. It's recording. Oh, okay. Is it?
Okay.
Well, I know it's recording.
Okay.
So you want to start over?
No. Yeah, one of the most fun things that I remember, even before we got married, which we didn't get married until 1966, but I would imagine in the beginning of '63, when I first started coming to the McElvey household, I used to love to come and to Sunday dinners. That was hilarious to me, because here we are, there's 7 kids, and generally most of them always had a friend, or if not all of them, a bunch. So there would be a bunch of people around the table, and the table was not in the dining room, it's in the little kitchen nook. Small little area, as all of you recall. And it was always just fun. Well, Miss Emma would prepare fried chicken and potato salad every single Sunday, and lima beans. And not only, I mean, she would not just cook one chicken. She would fry at least 3 to 4 chickens that she had cut up herself. Oh, I watched her do this many times. It was like so fun. And fry them in that frying pan. And then, of course, she made her potato salad the night before. I always remember that. On Saturday night, she'd make her potato salad. So those were just always fond memories for me going over. And then, of course, all these guys would be playing some kind of musical instruments. And the most important thing were the football games. Yeah, and that was always a lot of fun to go in. So when, let's see, that was the first summer, I guess, I met Pope. And so we dated then until off and on. And after getting to know all the McElveys, and especially Mom and Dad, what sweet, sweet people they were. They just really took me in and just accepted me as a daughter. That's really what I always felt. So it was always such a comfortable feeling being there. And I just always enjoyed just hanging with whoever was around. And of course, the little kitty. She was such a little girl at the time. And Ann, and of course Bob, one of my favorites. Okay, I know, he was really, and I can just remember this one time. Bob was playing baseball, football, won something. Anyway, he comes home with a concussion. And I was there with Pope, had a date with Pope that night. But here Bob, no, I'm still in nursing school. I'm in nursing school. Okay, so we're sitting in the little den. If you recall, it was the little den back then. And well, we had to watch Bob. Yeah, we had to keep him awake. Anyway, that was a real fond memory because I think Bob fell in love with me then.
I've been told that same story.
So anyway, just fell in love with his family, you know, just more and more. So when Pope asked me to marry him, of course I said yes. And it's just really been an adventure since then. And just wonderful getting to know all the brothers and sisters. And then as they got married, getting to know their spouses. Some of you have been around for a while. Yeah. So it's just been wonderful being a part of this family. And of course, Pope and Emma McElvey started it. And they produced some beautiful children. And it's just been fun and continues to be so. And we will continue to be together and have our fun reunions and get together as often as possible and just share the love that we all have. So thanks for inviting me into your family, and we'll be together forever as we are all have this reunion that will carry on forever and ever because we all feel the love from one heart to another.
Thank you, Miss Kathy.
Yeah.